Hello there! My name is Joanna. Me and my family are out to enjoy the beautiful day, and we're gonna take you to a journey here at Nantien Temple. And tingnan nyo naman, the statue, very big and beautiful. So, hindi kami makapasok dahil naka-sleeveless ako. But that's okay. Okay, look around. Let's look around. Diba? Very peaceful dito. And, buti may araw. Kasi kanina, medyo muulan ng konti. Pero that's good. Ganda. Oh, nice. Okay. Ang ganda oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Nice. It's a beautiful day, so we're out. We drove for like 1.5 hours to get here. And it's worth it because it's beautiful. Diba? Ang ganda. Parang ano lang, parang Hunter Valley. Parang Hunter Valley. You eating now, Kian? That's good. So now we are going to the big bell. Ganda dito oh. Maganda to sa picture oh. 'Di ba? Kapagod. Papanik siya ng konti eh. Oh. 'Di ba? It's called the Nantien Gratitude Bell. Ayan. So we made it to the giant bell up here. Yeah. Oh, I thought those are kangaroos. I thought those are real. Oh, tingnan mo. The Nantien Gratitude Bell. Do you wanna bring it?
What the hell are you doing? What are you doing?
Do you wanna try, Kian? Oh, you can't reach. Ako.
Oh, nice.
Mama will try. Mama will try. Ah. One more. Tignan niyo yung sa likod ko. Kala ko they are real kangaroos. Pero ang galing oh. So cool. Pero ano lang sila. Parang metal. Ah, di ba? Ang ganda rito. Picture. Tignan niyo naman. Tapos wala pang tao. Tignan niyo daw yung mga kangaroos. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh. See, look at behind me. That's the temple. What is that? Wow. Look at the view. Ang ganda, di ba? Guys, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo yung mga trees dito. Kasi dito sa Australia, nag-bushfire, di ba? Tignan nyo daw yung mga trees dito sa temple, oh. Burnt sila. Di ba? Ayan, bababa tayo. Ang laki ng anong to, ng temple na to. Super laki siya. Ayan. Yung dalawa, nandun na. O, diba? Wow, rubber tree ba to? I love this tree. I have a small plant like this at home. Pero medyo mas darker siya. Darker. O, diba? Ang daming trees. So, ang sarap ng hangin dito. Very fresh. Ayan, so kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, siguro weekday during the week. Yan. Punta kayo dito kasi tingnan nyo naman, kami lang. Tingnan nyo, no one's here. O, diba? Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys, ang galing oh. Oo, diba? Ang ganda ng mga to, oh. Mga decors nila. Hindi ko alam anong tawag dyan, pero, yeah. O, diba? Ang ganda. Where are we going now? Ang haba pala nito, oh. Puro itong red decors na to. Ano bang tawag dito?
What does it look like?
Yung buhok ko, ang ang gulo na kasi mahangin sa taas.
Look up there. That's cool. Red, my favorite. Yellow's my that's all.
Kian, I love those plants. Those purple plants over there. I love them. I love them.
Me too. It's like grapes.
Grapes?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Like grapefruit.
Look, oh. Watch for snakes. Mal, you show that watch for snakes.
What?
Watch for snakes. So, ayan, alam nyo na. Pag pumunta kayo dito, watch for snakes. Kasi maraming snakes
I'm
dito.
scared of snakes.
I know, right? Me too.
We saw a snake in our house. Don't
In our house? No, we didn't have snake.
in our number 2 house.
Oh, look at these.
Hello. Hello.
Come. You going up?
Let's see mommy. Yeah.
Tara.
Let's go up. Let's see what's up here.
Let's see what's up here.
It's the same.
It's the same?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, it's the same. Silang shops right now na nagbebenta sila ng mga souvenirs and stuff. I think because it's Lunar New Year. No, meron doon. Let's see. Ayun nga yung mga plants over there and there's more. Mga flowers. Ayan. Gift shops.
More dangerous animals, Stella. Okay? Let's go look some more signs.
Yan, may binibenta sila na plants, some souvenirs, and stuff. Ayun, mamaya pa siguro to kasi naka-close pa sila eh.
Recording.
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
had a watermelon.
Said you want a vlog.
Oh my god.
I have watermelon juice and I'm gonna eat noodles. And I'm gonna eat a lot and drink this watermelon juice. My favorite juice.
Who's here?
That's what Dada got you, Mama.
Some yummy noodle.
Where's my
Wow.
noodles? Mama.
Let's eat some noodles. Hello. So I got some chicken noodles, wonton noodles for myself. At hati lang kami ni Kian kasi marami siya. Hindi ko naman mauubos. And Mahal have, what do you have, baby?
I
Barbecue.
do.
Barbecue noodle soup.
And my noodles. Hi guys, today I'm eating noodles and I'm drinking my juice and we sour elf and we us and my and Dada and my mama is eating. I'm gonna eat also and then we drink my juice and that's all for the game. Guys. See you.
Parang ano no? It's a bit
Dada,
mahal. It's a bit bland to.
is that hot, Mama? Mama, is it hot?
Medyo ano yung ano? Parang walang masyadong lasa.
Mama, is it
Soy
hot?
sauce in there if you want to get.
Ah, okay. So soy and
This is
chili.
What is that doing here? I told you there's lizards everywhere, so you have to be careful, Mama.
Diyos ko, nagulat ako. Kala ko snake na. Yung pala maliit na lizard. I got scared. Did you see?
You have to be careful.
Careful, I'm just here eating. So, tapos na ang lunch namin.
We finished lunch.
Masarap naman, medyo matabang lang. Siguro kailangan na ano yun, lagyan toyo or
Can I vlog?
some sauce.
Can I
Yan.
vlog? Can I vlog? I'm finished eating and we going more and I'm gonna have fun and we see you guys there. Let's go. Oh, nice.
Ito yung,
There's some ducks.
you have a little pond. Oh, nice.
Where's the fish?
Look.
Oh, there's the fish. What? 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 What?
Here, fall down. Here.
What? 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 What?
It's got nice flower, huh?
Why is the duck going underwater? Why is the duck going underwater? Oh, there's another.
Swimming. Oh, there's another lizard.
Dad, look, there's a lizard there. Dad, look, there's a lizard
Where
here.
is it? I couldn't even
Dad, look,
find it.
there's
Oh,
a
there you
lizard
go.
here.
going somewhere else now. It's been a chill and relaxing morning here in Nantian Temple. So if you guys are looking for somewhere to go, consider Nantian Temple. Maganda siyang puntahan with the family. Looks beautiful. Diba? It's nice. Off to our next destination. Ano ba naman yan? Normally may mga nagpa-paragliding dito pero very windy. Kaya wala. Pit stop lang before we go home. Ooh! Ano ba naman ito? Okay, so it's a day well spent. Very nice visit to the Nantian Temple. At kung gusto nyo ring bumisita sa Nantian Temple, located lang yan sa Wollongong. At yung sea cliff natin, maganda rin ang view, kaya lang very windy. At sabi ko nga, may mga naga-paragliding doon. So next time siguro, pagpunta natin doon, mas maganda na yung weather. It's not gonna be too windy, hopefully. So that's all for our very first vlog. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in our next one.